Alright guys, doing a quick unboxing video for you guys. It's unboxing of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3s. There's probably a lot of videos online out there that tells you the full spec of this. I'll just gloss over it, but my main thing is to show you the dimensions rather than anything else. But let's get to unboxing it. Take that out. You'll be greeted with this little card. Turn great sound into your sound. See that? That includes flatulence. Alright. So thank you for choosing Sennheiser. I always choose Sennheiser. Turn great sound into your sound. Okay. Repeating that again. Okay, let's put that there. Then you received with this welcome, willkommen. Don't know what that says. I'm not even going to try and find out how to say it. To get more of the welcome thing. What's in here? Just instructions how to pair it. Not as in depth as you probably will get later on. And here's this is where the magic happens. Hang on, this is where the magic happens. Let me open it up for you. Hang on, is it focused? There we go. Look at that beauty. Look at that. You like that, don't you? Okay. Turn it upside down. It's still there. So let's open it up. An interesting point to note: the charging port is here. And you open it up. Voila. I've got the black version. This is what it looks like. This is the right side. It's got the medium tips, I'm guessing, and it's already got the wings in there already. Got the magnetic. Got how many magnetic? What they call? On the names of these brass what's called connectors there. So you have one of these. That here, and then you also get instructions when you first get them. First use, close them, charge for 30 seconds. Okay, so do that. So let's open up this bit. You got your charging cable. What do you got? USB-C. So always use the charging cable that comes with your buds or whatever you get. Always use the proprietary charging cables, otherwise you'll end up messing up the battery in it. Another thing to note is 2-year warranty, so if anything goes wrong, you've got 2 years to send it back to Sennheiser. Says, oh, it busted up, give me a new one. What else have we got here? Okay, you've got the tips here. We'll take a close look at the tips later soon. And you've got the wings here. Okay, so you got them, and then you've got more instructions like so, and then you also got warranty, I'm guessing, client compliance, whatever that is, just some more paperwork. So let's close that. Nothing else in here. Let's close it here, close the box. So this is everything that you get with it, yeah? So let me show you the quick dimensions to this thing. Move that thing over. Okay, so is it level? No, it's not level. Here we go. So 7 centimeters length, a smidge over 4 centimeters depth. Okay, front profile, and 3.5 centimeters. Let's just say 3.5 centimeters height. Yeah. So there's going to be quite a bit of a bulge in your pocket. So let's zoom out slightly out so you can compare it with some other buds. So let's get the Sony's. That's the Sony's WFX 1000 XM4s. Is it WF? Yes, WF. Because that's the front profiles are here. Let's look at the front profile. Hang on. That's front profile. Hang on. Yeah, that's front profile. So there's the front profile here. You can see that this is just slightly taller. Overhead profiles. Right, this is night and day, night and day. Really, really deep. And let's have a look at the width or depth or whatever it is. It's half. So essentially this is half of that. So you're going to have quite a bulge in your pocket with the Sennheisers compared to the Sony's. I've got the Buds Plus. You want to compare it with that, but it's in a case, so it's not going to give it justice. But essentially, that Buds Plus in a case is slightly bigger than that. So let's put that out of the way and let's zoom out a bit, show you what tips and things you get. Okay. So these are the tips you get. How do you open this? You've got to be careful, don't want to tear the thing. Okay, so you open it up, upside down here. So you got extra small, small and large. These are the tips you get. You like, yay. Make sure it doesn't close. That goes there. And these are the wings. Like that. Let's open it up. How many wings do you get? So you get 4 wings. That's got the extra groove comes up. This got the extra groove there. You can see that. So you get these 4. That comes in this box. Okay. So these will be pretty much what we'll be using. Put the box whatever you need to. Alright, if you like this video showing you the dimensions of the buds, then like, subscribe. I'll probably do more if I get likes for this, and guess peace.